Hi everyone, hello. I'm Alisha Panwar, very soon to be seen as Avneet in the show Teri Meri Ek Jinnari on Zee TV. Hi everyone, hello. So guys, here I am today with you all to interact, and not just as Alisha but also as Avneet. So if there's anything related to this show or related to anything, you guys can ask me here. और मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगी कि I'm very happy and I'm very glad that very soon I'll be the part of this amazing show which is already on air, Teri Meri Ek Jinnari, and it's an amazing story and an amazing role. So I'm really glad I'm a part of it now. और कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं इस शो के बारे में, अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में, या जो मैं अपने साथ न्यू ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न लेकर आने वाली हूँ उसके बारे में मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती हूँ, थोड़ा सा एक हिंट देना चाहती हूँ आप सबको. सो गाइज, इट्स लाइक माई कैरेक्टर अवनीत इज समथिंग जो मैंने अभी तक प्ले नहीं किया है. आई हैव हर्ड मेनी पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट एज comparing my role to the other character that I've played earlier in another show. लेकिन it is not exactly the same at all. It is different, and वो जो बारीकियाँ हैं और वो जो डिफरेंस है वो आई एम श्योर जब आप टेलीकास्ट देखेंगे और एज अवनीत मुझे ऑन स्क्रीन देखेंगे तो यू विल गेट टू सी दोज थिंग्स एंड यू विल रियलाइज दैट इट इज़ नॉट एग्जैक्टली द सेम दैट I've done before. It is different, and I'm just loving, I'm loving it. So Avneet is someone jo she's stylish, she's modern, she is a fashion diva you can say, पर उसे समझ है चीज़ों को करने की. वो बहुत स्मार्ट है, उसे पता है कि कौन सी चीज़ को किस तरह से किया जाता है, कौन से लोगों को किस तरह से हैंडल किया जाता है. एंड वो जस्ट अभी बाहर से पढ़ के आई है फ्रॉम लंडन, एज यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन फ्यू एपिसोड्स, जहाँ एक ब्रीफ दिया जाता है अबाउट वेयर इज अवनीत एंड वेयर शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट वे वील स्टार्ट, एंड जिस तरह आप देखेंगे हमारे एपिसोड में जो कि मंडे को ऑन एयर होगा, अवनीत की एंट्री जो दिखाई जाएगी, यू विल सी हाउ शी कम्स इन टू द लाइफ ऑफ जोगी एंड माही और किस तरह से अपने साथ वो चेंजेस लेकर आती है. सो गाइज, इट इज रियली अमेजिंग क्योंकि आप मुझे जब अवनीत के किरदार में देखेंगे तो इट्स नॉट सम अदर नॉर्मल एज वी सी द अदर negative characters in any of the shows. It is very different. It is actually not a very negative character also. I have heard many people and I have read many in many places and many articles and everywhere. It's not that negative role. It is a grey shade character, and she has her own beliefs and she has her own story. So it's like she's not wrong. और वो आपको सही लगती है या गलत लगती है ये आप जज करेंगे अवनीत को ऑन स्क्रीन देखने के बाद. लेकिन इन हर ओन वे शी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वो बचपन की दोस्त है जोगी की, और जोगी और उसका जो एक रिलेशन है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और बहुत पहले से है. जोगी और माही के रिलेशन से पहले से है, और जो चीज़ें उसकी छूट गई थी उस वक्त अब उन चीज़ों को वापस समेटने आई है. और आकर क्या तहलका मचेगा जोगी और माही की ज़िंदगी में वो आप देखेंगे हमारे एपिसोड्स में. बट टिल नाउ यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस स्टोरी एज नाइस रोमांटिक लव स्टोरी विद लिटिल comic lines and little comedy also, very light hearted nice lovey dovey story. लेकिन अब थोड़ा सा इसमें टेंशन बढ़ने वाला है, थोड़ा सा इसमें थ्रिल एड ऑन होने वाला है, तो मैं अपने साथ बहुत सारा थ्रिल लेकर आ रही हूँ. आई रियली विश आप सबको पसंद आए. एंड इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग यू गाइज वांट टू आस्क मी, प्लीज डू आस्क. और मैं दोबारा से कह रही हूँ कि फ्रॉम मंडे विच इज 9th August अवनीत की एंट्री हो रही है तेरी मेरी एक जिंदगी में, तो जरूर देखिए. ओनली एट 8 PM only on Zee TV. Do not miss Avneet's entry. So I'll just check on to some questions जो आप सबके हैं. So Insta handle name is Alisha X Paradise 18 and you're asking Avneet character matches Tara Raichan character, right ma'am? Yeah, see, so this is exactly what I was explaining right now कि it is not exactly the same. Like जब आप कोई किरदार प्ले करते हैं किसी स्टोरी में, आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते उसे किसी और रोल से जो आपने पहले किया है, क्योंकि एवरी स्टोरी इज वेरी डिफरेंट, एवरी कैरेक्टर इज वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड व्हेन यू पोर्ट्रे दैट कैरेक्टर you have to add your own bits and pieces into it, your own different things. You have to show your shades, different shades to audience, so that audience can relate to it. So all I can say right now is that initially, because you've not seen me exactly into that character right now, you might think that it's exactly the same as I've done before, but it's not exactly the same, I can assure you that. And definitely Avneet is a modern girl. She is a little stubborn as well, and she is obsessed with her love, और उसे पता है कि अपने प्यार के लिए कैसे लड़ा जाता है और कैसे जीता जाता है, लेकिन she has her own terms, her own conditions, which are a little different to the terms and conditions which Tara had. So this is my new journey starting in this show on this channel with a new character, Avneet, and I'm very excited, guys. Really, I'm very excited because after a long time, after COVID and after pandemic and everything, again I'm coming back on TV, and now with this character. So I really want this to be amazing for you all to watch, and I will make sure that I do my best and I can entertain you all like that. Or whatever your feedback is, please do give me, and keep watching Teri Meri Ek Jindagi, 8 PM on Zee TV, and I just wish you all like my character Avneet. We are working for it. Okay, so I have many other questions as well. Okay, thank you so much to all of you for all the praises. All my love to Asia as well. This is from Alisha Panwa 2000. So all guys, all my love and good wishes to all of you out there, to all my extended family, to the Insta family that I always say, all my good wishes and love to all of you. May God bless you. Please stay safe, be safe, and keep entertaining yourself, because I am working for it. I really want you all to see. Do not miss Teri Meri Ek Jindagi, which is Avneet's entry, happening on 9th. So you have to watch it and give me the real feedback. So guys, this is about my character Avneet, and I'm very excited for it because as I told you that after a long time I'm back on TV, because in between I have done few other things. You all must have seen music videos, short films, this and that, and now again on TV with this amazing character with a new storyline, which has actually, you can say, like till now the genre was romantic and little comedy. Now it's again a thriller zone as well, so it's a thriller romance, you can say. तो Avneet आ रही है प्यार लेके, लेकिन उसका जो प्यार है उसका मंजर बहुत खौफनाक है. तो आप सबको वो देखना है, ज़रूर देखें, मिस ना करें. And all I can say is that big thank you to the whole team of Zee TV for giving me the chance to play this lovely character, and thank you to the only one and only producer Prateek sir for having me on board with this storyline and this character. Looking forward to it. I'm sure you all will enjoy. Do give it a try. And thank you for all your love, and much love to all of you. God bless you all. Do not miss, keep watching, stay tuned. Teri Meri Ek Jindagi, 8 PM only on Zee TV. And do watch Avneet's entry, Avneet Kaur, जो बहुत जल्द आपको नज़र भी आएगी, और आई एम श्योर आपके दिल और दिमाग में बस भी जाएगी. So thank you guys, it was lovely talking to you all, and just the last time I'll just check quickly if any of you have any question and if I can answer it. Someone is asking, hi Avneet, how are you? I'm absolutely fine. Avneet can never be not fine. Okay, so someone is asking me the importance of Avneet's character in the show. This is Rishmi. So see, I just want to tell you all that as I just explained right now, that the show till now, Teri Meri Ek Jindagi, was a nice, cute love story, a romantic story with little, comedy elements in it, and a light-hearted, nice story of two people. But now the zone will also go into the thriller romance thing will happen, and I am the one as Avneet who will be entering with lots of thrill and mysteriousness and adventure in the show. So I just wish that all of you love this twist and turn that we'll be getting in the story very soon for you. So that's the importance of Avneet here. The romance the show already had. Thrill was not there. Avneet is coming with all the thrill. I hope you enjoy the thrill as well, and with more romance. But her romance is dangerous. Tanya Jotwani is asking, क्या तेरी मेरी जिंदगी ऑफेयर होने वाला है? Absolutely not, because few things, actually many things that we hear in social media and everywhere are a part of rumor as well. So we can't believe on everything that we see on social media, right? So obviously till now, no, the show is doing amazing with all of your love and with God's grace. Again, the story is moving ahead with a new new freshness in it. So how can this come to an end? Like it'll go on. Okay, so all my love to Tamil Nadu as well, Narmada. Thank you. Any other questions that you all want to ask me? Sweetu, looking beautiful. Thank you. So any of any question related to the story, related to my character, any of you, any one of you, if you want to ask, you can ask right now. Hi everyone, I'm so sorry I can't actually respond to every message, but if I had just skipped it, please forgive me for that. But guys, all my love to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting me every time. And okay, so excited for this character and entry in the show. Thank you so much, Devesh. Thank you. Even I'm excited. Okay, so I think this is it. I have given you a little brief about what I am coming with and what I have to give from my side into the show. So this is it, and again I'm just saying that now guys, just wrapping it up, that Avneet Kaur very soon coming in Teri Meri Ek Jindagi, only on ZTV. Do watch her entry and the following episodes every day as well, but do not miss the entry. It is happening on Monday, 9th August, 8 p.m. Do watch and give me the real feedback. And I'm sure you all will enjoy Avneet because she is different. I can say that she's different. I'm sure you'll like her. So thank you guys. Take care. Love you all. God bless you.